Yeah, I can show the progress on the recruiter.
Let's have it. Yes, please.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right. So this is kind of the core of what is gonna help us build the recruiter. Here we have a field that is an email field, and the idea was to find out how we could store uh, personal informations on Ceramic public nodes. And after doing some research, we found out about a convenient way of doing this. So I'll just go ahead and type in my email, fake email, of course, and then I'll save it. And here is now my encrypted email. This is what gets stored on Ceramic. So here we can see there's a ciphertext and some other data about like what was used to encrypt this data. And then basically how this works is that we have this create DAG JSON web encryption function, and we pass it the clear text, so the input email. And how it's gonna work for the recruiters is that each time a recruiter is gonna request access to this data, we're gonna once the developer approves, we're gonna add the recruiter's DID in the recipients. So this list will grow when the developer is gonna approve other recruiters to access their contact information. And basically, once they get added to that array, they can decrypt the data, and here's the decrypted email. And then we've been also implementing the basic profile. So this is the standard schema in Ceramic for the basic profile. So here my data got loaded, and let's say that I change this to MC dogfooding. And yeah, let's just put a new image there, and here as well. A description. And yeah, I guess that's good to go. I'll save my profile. Okay, and now let's say if I go on another dApp that uses Ceramic as well, and that makes use of the basic profile schema, here I should see my new name, which is MC Dogfooding. All right, it's still Huxwell, which is dogfooding. Yay!
Dogfooding.
Yeah. So I don't know why I didn't update, but that's you got the ID for the basic profile.
And so
And
how are the encrypted fields going to show up on those third-party DID accessing sites?
so they're not gonna show up unless they query the data. If they query the data, it's gonna show up like a string of this encrypted data we saw earlier.
Cool. I guess there's a lot of ecosystem questions about Ceramic that like are still being answered by the Ceramic team as well.
Right. It's a very early project. They are in a good state right now where they are beta testing and getting more and more users on their early launch program on the mainnet, and we might be part of it if we use ceramic as well.
And so I believe that this falls under the Sovereign Data Hackathon as well. Is the dRecruiter team enrolled, or are they going to get any prizes or anything like that? Or are we not pursuing that?
No, we didn't attend the hackathon. I think it's the hackathon is over. I was in the ceramic call earlier. The some projects show their demo, and there was actually a project demoing radical integrated with ceramic. That was a pretty interesting use case.
Interesting. Interesting. I wonder what they're using for their CI. That's a story to follow. Thank you very much, dRecruit team and Hux, for that tasty dog food. It wouldn't be complete if part of it didn't work. So that was awesome, and we're looking forward next time to having it deployed so that all of us can encrypt our emails and then maybe retrieve them. Who knows? Awesome.